Alright, so just doing a little Sunday night or not Sunday night, Sunday day actually, update video for you. Weather is awesome. Right now it's 60 degrees outside. Dogs are loving it, although I'm not sure what they're eating. I think it's chunks of grass that came off from under the lawnmower, which it actually started up from sitting there since last fall. Got the truck out today, got it out yesterday as well. And I'll show you real quick. The wind's starting to pick up, so I hope we're not getting too much wind noise here, but this little part that I fixed right there looks awesome. You'd never know. But as far as what I've been doing today, beautiful day out. Sun's been poking out. It's been pretty warm. Like I said, 60 degrees. We haven't seen that since last fall, I don't believe. Dogs are loving it. First thing they did when I let them out this morning, of course, they ran clear down to the south side of the field. So I drove down there and got them. And they've been good ever since. But as far as what I've been doing today, well, out on the open end of the shop there, a bunch of cardboard and boxes and stuff. So I burned all that here just a little bit ago. Something I haven't done here in a while. I'm afraid the wind's gonna bother here. But something I haven't looked at in a while is this old well over here. So let's take a look at that. See what we got going on here. It's kind of smushy out here. Have not looked in this, I don't think since last summer. Alright, look out guys. You're gonna have to, bud, you fell in that. You're gonna have to get off. Let's see what we got under here. Come on, move. Come on, Abby. And that's what we've got. Look out guys, coming down. I can't really see on my phone what's being picked up here, but you can see rocks around the side of this. All the way around this, there's rocks. It's gotta be a well. I don't know. I may play with that later, but I think I'm gonna cover it up for right now. Poor old buddy, he about died in that thing, but let's get that covered back up before somebody decides to jump in there. Look out, Abs. Get that covered up. Just tie her back on there. Alright, so as far as what I've been doing today, like I said, it's been a beautiful day today. Right now, 60 degrees. What are you barking at, guys? Who knows? But clean this up out here. This was a total mess. Had a bunch of blankets and stuff over here for cats to lay on. It's just a mess. There's that bag back there is full of those wood chip things for like bedding. And you can tell down there, it's kind of disgusting. This whole place was just covered with wood shavings, and just nasty. So I've been cleaning that up. Bunch of cardboard and boxes that I took out of here and burned. Trying to get her cleaned up a little bit. Needs a little more, but that's what I've been working on. And got the truck out of here. I don't have the Bronco top painted or Raptor lined or whatever. I haven't gone and got that toner yet. I'm not in a huge hurry to do that because, well, the weather just says, I mean, I'm not going to get the Bronco painted here anytime real soon. I mean, it's going to be here pretty quick, but not like tomorrow or something. So not in a huge hurry to do this, although we're supposed to have pretty good weather here through all next week. It looks like I think we're out of winter, guys. I think I've seen probably 8 flocks of geese fly over today, and they seem to know more than the weather guys do, so I think we're sitting good with that. Need to get some brake cleaner brake cleaner and cat litter and pick up all this mess in here. This up here I think is off of my truck. I think I have a real slow drip on the power steering, like a drip every 4 or 5 days, something like that. I'm not real concerned about it. Some of these from oil changes, some of this is from working on the Tahoe and stuff, but you take some brake cleaner, spray it on that, and then go over it real quick with cat litter. It'll make your cement look like brand new. And I need to do that because it's kind of nasty. But anyway, yeah, getting it cleaned up out here. I need to get all this stuff out of here. Just not doing anything with it. But it looks a heck of a lot better than it did. Can't believe that lawnmower actually started. It hadn't been started since last fall. Had to pump a tire up, but other than that. But like I said, just working on getting things cleaned up. Been over here looking at the Bronco. I'm itching to get it back in the shop and get it all painted up. It's gonna look sharp. Gonna look sharp when we get her all painted up. I need to get that air compressor hooked up over there so I can pump this tire up, or I can just get an air pig or something, but we'll get the tire pumped up one way or another. Not a big deal. Just a beautiful day. Buddy's out here chewing on I think that's an old soccer ball. Jesse's got a bone over here. Not sure where those come from. I know they're really nice to hit with a lawnmower. Anyway, need to give this girl a bath. I know she doesn't look very dirty, but she is. Not dirty, just dusty, dirty. But yeah, where I fixed that down there, you'd never know. Looks absolutely perfect. I'm really happy with that, buddy. What do you, don't even think about, yeah, don't. But just a beautiful day here in central Iowa today. I was actually thinking about making something for my barbecue channel, but just not really in the mood. Just trying to clean things up a little bit. I've got more pots and pans down here. I got to get these up to the house before my wife gets all mad at me, but that's the way it goes. Anyway, guys, going to get the toner for that and get Rapture lining on here shortly, probably in this next week. It's supposed to be pretty nice. As far as the forecast goes out, it looks like it's going to be pretty nice. So, doing pretty good. Kind of nice to get the truck out of here. I got lots of room in here now. But anyway, thought I'd update you on what's going on since I don't have a full video for today. So, hope you're all having a great day, and we'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.